Hey YouTube family, welcome to another foundation review, another Green Beauty Clean Beauty foundation review. For this video, we are still in February, so like I promised, I am reviewing another black owned, woman owned, clean, organic Green Beauty foundation company. This is a 90% organic Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Foundation from Laws of Nature Cosmetics, and I have the color Chestnut. The owner, her name is Jasmine. She is phenomenal. She is great to work with. When I mean customer service on like 300, customer service is really up there. She actually follows through with you to make sure that the colors match your skin tone, that you're happy with your order. If there's anything that she can do to help you with the shade matching, the shade ranges, she'll create custom shades for you if need be. She is just customer service to like another level. I am not the only one that has reviewed her products. I want to shout out some other people as well, just in case you have different skin tone. If you're lighter than me if you are lighter than me or darker than me, I also want to mention other people that have reviewed her products as well, so that you can watch those videos and have more options. And she also carries other foundations, and other people has reviewed the other foundations. Like for example, I believe Malika Loves reviewed her stick foundation. Keisha Adinkra also reviewed her stick foundation and this foundation. Berry Stylish also reviewed her foundation. So I'll leave all the videos that I can find of other YouTubers that reviewed her foundations with different skin tone other than myself, just to give you guys a variation. Let's just get right into it. As you guys know, the first thing I like to do is apply the product to my face, and then we talk a little bit, and then I come back later and give you guys my thoughts. Make sure to shake it up really good. This is the foundation on this side of my face, and this is nothing. I want to see if it's buildable, so I'm going to add another layer. One thing I do want to mention about this foundation though, you have to work quickly with the formula, because I guess since it's the matte version, it does dry down pretty quickly, so you can't play around with it. Once you apply it, I suggest you rub it in without waiting too long, because it does dry down pretty quick. Second layer is applied on the right side, nothing on this side, and I must say it's looking pretty good. I love it. It kind of mattified my face and just smoothed out everything. I am thoroughly impressed. I really love it so far, but you know, let's wait and see what happens throughout the day. But yes, you guys, this is beautiful. Yes, this is beautiful. Yes, this is so beautiful. This is the foundation applied to my entire face. I also took the time to do my eyebrows. Really basic, nothing fancy. It's just basic eyebrows. I also added a little bit of mascara, lined my eye, and put on like a little lip gloss situation. And that is it. So like I said in my previous video, I don't want to apply too much on the face, because when it comes to the foundation reviews, I really want to focus on the foundation itself, so I'm not going to apply too much to the face. One thing I do want to test though is I want to see, of course, because it's the matte foundation, I want to see how it holds up. But I'm not going to set my entire face. I'm going to set one side to see the comparison. I also have the Laws of Nature Foxy Finish Mineral Loose Foundation in the color Chestnut. So I'm going to use that to set the right side, just to see at the end of the day if there's a difference. The right side is set with mineral foundation, the left side is not. And just take a look at her website. She does offer 4 different types of foundation. The Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Foundation, which is the one that I put on the majority of my face. The Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Stick Foundation. The Foxy Finish Mineral Loose Foundation, which is what I set the face with the right side. And the Foxy Finish Mineral Cream to Powder Foundation. Also for this one right here, the Foxy Finish Mineral Cream Foundation, the one that I'm reviewing today, you can select if you want the matte version, which is what I selected because I have oily combination skin, so I prefer the matte version, or you can choose the satin. So either the matte or the satin formula, she has those options on the website as well. She does have 16 shades, so it's a variety for different undertones, so kudos on that. And also she does make custom shades. So if you got a shade and it's like you need it to be a little bit more red or you need it to be a little bit more yellow, she does cater to that as well. So good looking out. The description about the foundation says, Mineral Cream Foundation is a medium to full coverage cream mousse foundation. Our formula is blendable, moisturizes, evens the skin tone, giving your complexion a natural satin or matte finish. Formulated with botanical ingredients and blended with antioxidant-rich vitamin E to promote clearer, healthier looking skin over time. Available in 16 shades and it has UV properties. I think the skin is looking good, really good, and just really smooth, flawless. I love it. But let's see what happens at the end of the day. Since this is the matte formula, I will be looking to see how matte it leaves my skin. Granted, I am not looking to be matte at the end of the day. I understand the oils are going to come through regardless. That's just how my skin is. But I just want to see as to what extent this can hold down the oils. You get what I'm saying? So we're not expecting perfection in any of these foundation reviews. I just want to see if it makes me like a grease ball, then there's a problem with that. If I'm a grease ball at the end of the day, there's a problem. But if I still have a dewy look, we're good. If I end up still being nice and matte like this, we extra good. It is 12:47 in the afternoon. I'm going to come back later and share my thoughts on the foundation. Time is, wait, let's clear some messages. Don't want y'all in my business to see my notifications. Time is, there we go, 6:34 in the afternoon, and this is how the face is looking. Before I continue, let me apply some. The lip gloss is gone, so let me just reapply it. After a few hours of wear, this is the side that was not set with the mineral foundation, the loose mineral foundation. And this is the right side that was set with the loose mineral foundation. In my opinion, the side that I did not set, which was the left side, which only had the cream foundation, looks to be more matte than the right side that I set with the loose foundation. This side to me has more of a dewy look, and this side just looks more matte. Do you guys see that? I was surprised. I thought that this side would have been more matte, but you know, I've been surprised a lot lately with these foundations. From looking at it in my mirror, it still looks pretty good. I am very impressed. I must say, of course, the oils are pulling through. I can see them in my T-zone area. Other than that, the rest of my face is pretty good. It's just that stubborn T-zone area. No matter which foundation I try, I tell you, the T-zones, but it's not bad. I actually could continue wearing this throughout the day if I wanted to. I wouldn't necessarily have to blot yet, but I would if I wanted to. As the day progressed and I kept looking at myself, I really kept falling in love with this foundation. I love the way it made my skin look. I just love the way it smoothed my skin. I am in love. I'm gonna say this. This could honestly be my newest holy grail foundations. It gives me like a nice, it's not too yellow. It does have a slight reddish tint to it, and I was scared about that at first. I really thought it was gonna make my skin look too red, but I actually like it. I think it really balances out my skin. I also forgot to mention, this is not a sponsored video. I did pay for this product with my own money. However, if you're interested in buying this product, I do have a coupon code. I've had this coupon code for a very long time now. It is not an affiliate code. It's only a coupon code that I will leave the information right there. I believe it's Kaya. I think it's just Kaya, but I'll confirm and leave it on the screen or leave it in the description bar, and that will help you save some money on your purchase of items from Laws of Nature. So I'm sharing the wealth, but I am in love with this foundation. As far as the matticity, if that's a word, how matte it is, I mean, your skin will start off matte and it does last for a majority of the day, but after a significant amount of hours you will, well, I saw the oils coming through still a little bit, but not much at all. And the way it just blends in with my skin, it's all worth it. It is all worth it. So I'm in love. I would definitely 100% recommend it because of the formula. I'd recommend it because of how it makes your skin just looks flawless. And an airbrush, I'd recommend it especially because of the customer service. The way the customer service is set up is just, I love it. But that is it. Hopefully you guys like this. Stay tuned. I do have more foundation reviews coming up for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.